In this video, I will show you how to download any driver for your HP laptop on your Windows. So guys, let's start the video. Launch any browser and after that guys, type here under search box HP laptop driver. Okay, click on it and search it and click here this official link. Okay, you can see here there are a option laptop and desktop. So we want to laptop, click here laptop and enter here serial number, product number and product name. So how to find it, your laptop serial number. Now right click here start button and click here run and guys type here cmd and click here ok button. And after that guys type here a command wmic BIOS get serial number and press enter from keyboard BIOS get serial number. Type here this same command and press enter. So guys you can see here their laptop serial number here 5CD3305. So type here this same serial number and search here. After search, you can see here there are some option. You can select here your OS Windows 11 and you can select here version as you want and click here submit. So guys you can see here all your laptop driver is displayed here. You can see here network driver and audio and graphics driver is there here and network driver here, LAN, Bluetooth driver. So guys you want to download any driver, there are a download option. So guys you want to download here, click here download, your driver will download here. Okay, so guys I hope you will know how to download HP laptop driver from official website. So guys if you like this video please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.